Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to add Bitcoin to Metamask Wallet. So this is Metamask Wallet. It's easy to find on your web browser. You must write Metamask and this specifically function like an extension. So right now I'm in my Google Chrome browser, so I'm going to make clicking download for Google Chrome. And it's an extension. Okay, you must go into your puzzle icon and pin your MetaMask, and there you're gonna have it forever, and you can handle it in any page that you are right now. So now that we have our MetaMask wallet, we must now add a network that allows us to swap and make some changes with the Bitcoin. So here on top I have my network with Ethereum, but I need to add a network. The network that we're looking for is a smart chain, but in case you don't have it yet, you must add the network. So probably you're gonna find it in this list, or you can search it from here, like smart chain. But if you don't find it, yet, you must add a network manually. So I'm going to click on it, and we're gonna need this data. So I really recommend you to go to your web browser and write connecting MetaMask to BNB Smart Chain, and to write also, like in this case, let me show you, academy.binance. Okay, this is the web page that I had the info, and if you scroll down, you're gonna find the data that you need: the network name, the new RPC URL, chain ID, and so on. So you must copy this data and paste it here. Okay, and copy what you need and paste it. By now, because I had added this network, this URL is currently used, so I'm not going to continue with the process, but you know how to do it now. And when you have done that in your extension or your MetaMask webpage, you're gonna be able to find your smart chain. Now that I have changed my network, I need to add the token that I need, because MetaMask Wallet doesn't work with Bitcoin at all. It is a different token that is Bitcoin B, okay? So I'm going to port a token. And when I try to import a token, I'm gonna need a token contract address. This address, I'm gonna be able to find it here in this page, coinmarketcap.com. And here in the search bar, I'm gonna write Bitcoin B, okay? And this is the token that we're looking for. So once we have found it, we must click on more. And there we have the option to add to MetaMask automatically, but if you prefer to copy the address and then go to your extension, import token, and paste that address, you're gonna do it. This token has already been added. I already have it, and that's it. Once you have it, you can make some swaps or send some money with this token through your MetaMask wallet.